Oh, it is zucchini time, and we end up with all these big zucchinis, and we just don't know what to do with them. Well, let me tell you, I know what to do with them, big or small. Any of them are really good. Doesn't matter if the rabbits got them, as long as I have some. You think Gary's running in with that just to have dinner? He's running in to have his favorite drink made with zucchini and fruit. Yum! Hi everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and I've got a fresh zucchini and a new recipe for you today. Today I'm going to make something like the old-fashioned orange Julia, something like that. A beautiful orange drink, and I'm going to use a zucchini as the base. It is so easy, so good, so delicious that nobody will even know that you are using a zucchini as the base part of your drink. Now zucchini, for me, and I've been using it for a lot of things, is almost an egg substitute, and it can be almost a milk substitute, because what it does when you're using it and whipping it up in the way I'm going to do it, it looks like almost whipped cream. I've used it in Jell-O, I use it for baking cakes, I use it for everything. And the wonderful thing about a fresh zucchini is it really has almost no flavor. So what zucchini does is it takes over whatever you're adding to it. So today I'm going to make an orange one. Now I don't want to use any seeds. This one really doesn't have seeds, but if you think it's got seeds, take them out. Some people won't mind. I prefer not. Chop it up and put it in the blender. We are using a cheap old blender. Blender that's like 20 bucks. That's all you need. For this drink, I'm not going to add in the skin, but I sometimes do put the skin in. And like I said, just check and see if it looks like it's got any seeds. Take them out. And if it doesn't have seeds, don't worry about it. The smaller the zucchini, the less seeds, and the smaller the seeds you'll have. So you're going to chop up your zucchini, and you use as much as you want. Now, if it's a hot day, what you can do is freeze some. I froze that. I froze some oranges, and I froze some zucchini. This one had a slight orange hint to it. That would be perfectly fine. What we're going to do is add in, I'm going to add in just a little bit of Jell-O. Don't have a spoon here. Kind of to give it a little bit more of a malt type, texture to it. You can add as little or as much as you want. And then I'm going to add in milk. Now, I have no problems with milk, but you can add in almond milk. You can use water. You could use anything you want. You can use cashew milk, oat milk, yogurt, whatever you want. And then we're going to start to pulsate it. You could add in a spoon of ice cream if you want, and you could just do it with zucchini and nothing else with whatever fruit you want to add in. It could be berries or strawberries. Or today I'm going to go with orange because I decided to add in a little bit of orange Jell-O. So that's why I went with that. And then the frozen bits that you're adding in will make it really cold. It whips up so fast and so wonderful. You don't need anything fancy. I've always been doing a lot of things with a blender. Look how beautiful that is. It tastes good. It's done. And that's it. Can you imagine giving this to kids and they don't even know that they're eating squash? And like I said, you can put in as much as you want because they won't even know it's there. But that's all there is to it. Just chop up the zucchini. If you want to add in Jell-O, you can. You can add in juice if you want. If you wanted to freeze some juice and add it in. Think of zucchini as a base with, let's say, no real flavor. That's why I love zucchini. It's my favorite vegetable to use as far as cooking in the kitchen. Because I can make a dessert out of this, or I can make a savory dinner out of this, whatever way I want to use it. And if you're making something on the green side, let's say you're going to make a lime drink, go ahead and leave the skin on. It'll turn real green. You didn't want to put green in here because you don't want kids to wonder, hey, why is my orange juice green? But right now it's beautiful, it's orange, and it is ready to drink. What a healthy drink, low calorie, and beautiful. You can't beat that. So think of your zucchini as your friend. It's your egg, it's your milk. You could use water if you want. You don't have to add any milk. And you will end up with a beautiful, frothy, gorgeous drink. With that, have a wonderful day. And don't forget to eat what you grow or drink it. Oh my goodness. Gary, come and get it.